Sections let you split the board into smaller topics without needing to create extra boards. All the pins stay in the same board, but each group becomes easier to navigate. To add a section, open your board and click on the Add Section button. Give it a name and save it. After you create the section, you can organize the board. If you just want to move an individual pin to a section, click on the pin. You will see a section option. Click it and choose the section where you want to add this pin. You can also create a new section from here. Just type the name and click Create when the button becomes available. If you want to add multiple pins at once, click on the Organize button, then select the pins you want. After choosing them, hover over the section where you want these pins to appear and click Add. The pins are now in the section. It may take a minute for the images to appear in the section, but they are there. How to reorder pins and sections. To reorder individual pins, just drag the pin to the new spot you want. If your board has sections, you can also drag the entire section to a new place. This gives you full control over how your board looks and how you want people to explore it. The same way you can move the pins inside a board, you can also move them inside a section. You can drag them to change their order, or use the Organize option to select and move multiple pins at once. You can merge two sections inside the same board. Open a section, click the menu, clicking on Edit, then choosing Merge. Pick the section you want to combine it with, and confirm. This keeps everything tidy without losing any pins. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.